Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I post tutorials and strategies to help you build, customize, and grow your Shopify store with confidence. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make essential changes to your Shopify store, particularly focusing on editing the default theme content related to shipping settings. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or someone just setting up your digital storefront, this walkthrough is designed to be both informative and easy to follow. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have a stable internet connection, since we'll be making live adjustments to your store's content. First, let's begin by heading over to the home page of your Shopify account. Once you're on your Shopify admin page, you'll want to look for the online store option. This is the central hub where you'll manage all visual aspects of your storefront, including themes, layouts, and customer-facing text, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the online store section, direct your gaze over to the top right corner, where you'll notice the More Options menu. Clicking on this will unveil a few additional choices for customizing your store. Now we want to focus on the Edit Default Theme content, so go ahead and select that option. Here you'll have the flexibility to adjust various visual and textural elements that your customers will see throughout your store. This includes everything from button labels to checkout messages, and it's a great way to personalize your site's tone and branding. For the purpose of today's guide, we'll specifically be looking at editing the language and settings related to shipping. Next, in the page you've arrived at, look out for the search button, usually displayed as a magnifying glass icon. Clicking this button opens a search bar, which is incredibly useful for locating specific bits of text within your store's theme. This saves time, especially if your theme has hundreds of customizable fields. In the search bar, type in free shipping. This will narrow down your focus to any text that's related to free shipping settings. If your store uses different languages, you can also adjust or translate this text here, ensuring your customers understand shipping promotions in their preferred language. Continuing your navigation, you'll want to click on Checkout and System when it appears in the search results. This section houses all the key settings related to how customers interact with your checkout process, including any promotional wording like free shipping discounts. You can also explore this area to customize other checkout-related messages, for example, payment confirmations, discount messages, or delivery updates, to make your brand's voice shine through even during the checkout process. After selecting Checkout and System, your next task is to find and click on the free shipping discount label. This is where you'll be able to modify any text associated directly with free shipping discounts that are displayed to your customers. For example, you might want to change free shipping to enjoy free shipping on all orders, or you've qualified for free shipping, adding a friendly or promotional tone that matches your store's personality. Finally, navigate to the Checkout Shipping Subscription Delivery Description Free Shipping Cycles. This may sound like a mouthful, but it's essentially where you're able to manage how different shipping options are communicated within your checkout flow. If your store offers tiered shipping, like free shipping over $50 or express shipping available, this is the perfect spot to make those messages clear and enticing. After making the necessary adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located towards the upper right-hand corner of the interface, and click on it. This ensures that all your changes are successfully applied to your store. After saving, preview your storefront or use the View option in Shopify to double-check how your new wording appears to customers. A quick visual review can help you ensure your tone, spacing, and clarity look perfect on both desktop and mobile. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your Shopify store's theme content, specifically honing in on shipping settings. Remember, making these adjustments can significantly enhance your customer shopping experience by providing clarity and emphasizing any value propositions you offer, such as free shipping or fast delivery. Consistent messaging builds trust. If you're offering free shipping, make sure that promise appears not only in your checkout area, but also on your homepage banners, product pages, and emails. This reinforces your offer and improves conversion rates. Thanks for following along today, and happy selling! If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth Shopify tutorials and strategies to make your online store stand out.